Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix FIFA 23 problem easy and quick. If you want to fix the crashing problem, it's easy. First click here and then type device manager and then go to display adapters. Now once you're here, right click and update all those drivers that you can find here in display adapters. Right click, update, search automatically for drivers, and that's it. And after that, type here Windows Update Settings. Now install all the updates that you can find here in Windows Update Settings. Just wait, and if you find any update, just install it. And now the last thing you need to do, restart your PC, and after starting your PC, open Task Manager. Now if you find it like that, click more details and then click memory to see applications that takes your memory, and then right click and close all applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome. And that's it, then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.